Hey guys, it's Sarah and welcome back to a new video. I hope everyone is safe and okay. But just like the title of this video, I wanted to make a quick intro and just let you guys know that this is my half-yearly makeup favorites for 2020. These are really the products that I've been reaching out for a lot. There's nothing really interesting towards the look. I mean, I do my face exactly the same regardless of the products I use, so this is just pretty much my 2020 look. So I should start posting a little bit more colorful looks other than this orange warm toned go-to makeup look. But yeah, I think that's it. The rest of the video will be voiceover, so I hope you guys don't mind that. And yeah, let's get started. Lately, I've been doing a pretty good job at taking care of my dry lips, and I think I found the perfect lip balm that caters to all my preference when it comes to lip balms. As for cushion foundations, I honestly love these type of base products. For me, it's just very easy to use and apply. It takes like less than 5 minutes to do my entire face. I do have a product review coming up on this cushion. It's one brand, CLIO products, but for now I won't spoil anything and just let you guys know that I really love this cushion. The shade, the formula, the full coverage, it's really good. So this has been my go-to base product. For the concealer, I went back to something that I would continuously repurchase, especially when it's on sale. And although it looks like I'm not applying anything, this shade, medium 130, matches my skin tone and undertone perfectly. So on days when I want to be foundation free, I would just spot conceal and then set it with some translucent setting powder, and I'm good to go for my base. And I just really like this concealer. I've been using it for a few years, so it's that one concealer that I would always go back to, especially for a drugstore concealer. So yeah, I have an obsession with setting powders, and I think this is my top 3. It's included, it's official. I just love the powder itself. I mean, the packaging is great. It's travel friendly, it's portable, very easy to touch up on the go when your face is very oily. But I just really like this powder, and I should really show this in my channel more often. For contour, it's a liquid type. So here I realize I just set my face and now I have to use a liquid contour product, which was my fault. So instead of directly applying it onto my face, I decided to use the back of my hands and then use a brush and then just go from there. But lately, I think since last year, I've been in a phase where I would be trying local Filipino makeup brands, and Kbeauty is created by the artista and Curtis, so I've been obsessed with this. I never would have thought I'd like a liquid contour product so much, because I'm usually a powder formula type of preference person, but this is amazing and it's so easy to use. And even on top of a powdered and set face, as long as you work with it, you know, gently, it still blends nicely and it doesn't cake up. So that was really cool, but I would personally suggest to just use this first before you set your face like any other cream product. But yeah, I've been using this every time I do my makeup and I really like this a lot. So definitely I'm going to repurchase that, and a video review of this will come out eventually. Here I'm just kind of blending it out with the cushion puff I was using earlier, because for some reason to me it kind of looked a little patchy. It was on top of set powder, so here I just re-powdered my face, and that's basically my base. my go-to full coverage base look. For the brows, this was kindly given to me by my cousin Rachel, so Rach, if you're watching, thank you so much. I've been using this ever since you gave it to me, but as these guys would know, I was obsessed with the 3CE hairline shadow, and I would always use that every day for my brows. But lately, I've been using this every single freaking day. I don't know, I think I wanted to change it up a little bit, like my routine of products, so I decided to use this. It has a wax product, a brow powder, and a brow bone illuminator highlight powder, so you can do a lot with those products, and honestly, it only takes me 2 minutes to do both of my eyebrows, so I think that's really fast. That might be really long for some people. I wanted to talk about this more when I'm up to my cheeks for blush, but it's a multi-pot from 3CE, and if you guys don't know by now, I do love my warm orange tones, so that's usually my go-to kind of color swatch when I'm doing my makeup. And since you can do your eyeshadow, your blush, or your lips with this one product, I've been using this a lot for a very quick, easy makeup look. Very monotone, but still it looks well put together. But here I'm just using it for my eyeshadow right now. And to add more definition with my eye look, I've been using this 3CE triple shadow this year again. I don't know why, but I just started to do it. And here I'm using the soft brown shade for my outer corner and crease, just to add some definition and depth to the eye look. And I'm also using the lightest shade in the trio to blend out the crease and kind of highlight the brow bone, since I do like more matte finishes on my eyes. For mascara, to be honest, I haven't been wearing a lot of mascara this year, but this is the one that I would always go back to, and I always say this, but I have very stubborn and straight lashes, so I'm very picky with the mascaras I use, and all my favorite ones are finished, and this is the only one that I have left in my collection right now, so it's my favorite for this year. Back to the 3CE multi-pot. It's a 3-in-1 cream matte product, and it screams everything that I love. So here I'm just using it as blush, and I'm using my fingers to blend and apply it. Sometimes I would use a brush, but I feel like the fingers are always the best applicator for these type of products, and since it is matte, it does apply and set nicely. For the lips, Kbeauty Cosmetics create really good lip products, and this particular one is my official MLBB lip color. It's a very comfortable matte lipstick, and I wear this almost every day, so I'm running out of this very fast, but in the future I'll try and get my hands on it again. And for the lips, I wanted to show you guys how the multi-pot works. By itself, it's a very bright orange matte lip, but here I'm just using it as a gradient. For someone who claims that they're not really into highlight, I have been obsessed with this one in particular. I'm pretty sure I show this a lot in my videos, but it's a very everyday yet pretty glowing highlighter. It's very fine in my opinion, and the texture of this is just very unique. Like, the packaging looks like a mini cushion, so I find that adorable, and I would just highlight the high points of my face that I usually would highlight with this. For my nose contour, I personally enjoy using eyebrow powders for my contour, since they're pretty neutral and sometimes cool undertones, and that's just what I personally like when I'm contouring. The last product is just a very fine Kbeauty setting mist. It just does the job, and it makes my skin look like skin with all that layer of makeup. So yeah, that's pretty much my half yearly favorites. Hopefully you guys enjoyed that, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Stay safe. Bye.